Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get the Sacred Flame Shrine Sceptre in Path of Exile 2. First, reach the Burning Monolith by progressing through the Atlas of Worlds. Then collect 3 Crisis Fragments from the Iron, Copper, and Stone Citadels to unlock the Sealed Passage. Access the Arbiter of Ash boss fight by using the fragments at the Sealed Passage. Now defeat the Arbiter of Ash at difficulty 4 for a higher chance of the Sceptre dropping. Obtain the Sacred Flame Shrine Sceptre as a potential drop from the Arbiter of Ash. Alternatively, trade with other players via the official Path of Exile True Trade site. Next, use the Reliquary Key obtained from the Arbiter of Ash to access the Reliquary Vault. Now open the Reliquary Vault for a chance at a foiled version of the Sceptre. Note the Sceptre's requirements: level 78, 54 Strength, and 138 Intelligence. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.